In front of me is iPhone 16 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password in Passwords Manager. First of all, you need to open Passwords and enter your current passcode. Now select All at the top left corner and look for your password you wanna edit by scrolling down, using alphabet on the right, or clicking on the search bar and typing in wherever you want to. After finding your password, click on it and tap on Edit at the top right corner. Now you need to make any changes you wish. And save them thanks to this checkmark at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!